Two more to go.
The last one.
Crap. What does it even taste like? How are you eating those? $1 a cough drop, guys. $1 a cough drop. Friggin' 20.